Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this really cute braided bun hairstyle. I posted this photo on Instagram a little while ago and I got a lot of requests for a tutorial, so here we are. After quickly detangling, I just started by parting my hair down the middle. It doesn't have to be completely perfect. I'm really bad at splitting my hair, believe it or not, but I like to tie off the side of my hair that I'm not going to be working with so nothing gets tangled in the back. And then I started Dutch braiding one side of my hair. I chose to leave my bangs out, but if you also have bangs or curtain bangs, feel free to braid them in. And if you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, I do have a tutorial on them already on my channel, so I will have that linked up in the cards for you. I also recommend braiding these a little bit tight, just because when we put it in a bun later, sometimes they tend to loosen up. So if you like yours to be more secure, I'd recommend doing it a little bit tighter. Once I reached the nape of my neck, I stopped the braid instead of braiding it all the way down like normal, and I just tie it off with a hair tie to keep it in place while I braid the other side. And on the other side, I just do the exact same thing. Once I'm done braiding, instead of tying it off, I grab it and I connect it with the first braid in the back, and I also remove the hair tie from the first braid, and now you're going to be left with a ponytail. So I just went ahead and tied it off as normal. This is where the braids tend to loosen a little bit. If you want, you can keep both braids tied off and then tie them together in a ponytail, but I just don't like having that many hair ties on me at once, so this is easier for me, but it's totally your preference. To create the bun, I just twist the ponytail around itself to create like a little donut bun, and then I tie it off with a hair tie as normal. You could also use a hair stick instead of a hair tie if you would like. I haven't tried it that way yet, but I'm sure it would look really cute as well. At the end, I like to fluff out the braids to make it a little bit more messy. I do tend to have pieces kind of sticking out near the back, but I feel like it's kind of inevitable. You can always use bobby pins and hairspray to make it more sleek, but I kind of like it this way. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.